Hey guys, this is Misty 2001.
And this is FC7.
And today we're going to continue our series of the graham cracker pies. And we're going to make some Oreo graham cracker mini pies. You will need 1 box of Oreo cookies and cream pudding, 2 cups of milk, 6 mini graham cracker crusts, Redi Whip, graham cracker crumbs, optional of course.
And here are the ingredients.
Yep.
If you've been following our channel, you know that we've been making these mini pies lately, and they're so good we just have to continue with different flavors.
Yep.
Yeah.
So you add 1 box of your Oreo cookies and cream pudding mix to a bowl. And of course they don't like to open the way you intend them to.
No, they never do.
No. Look at all those Oreos. And of course, if you want to, you can add more Oreos.
Right.
So then you're going to add 2 cups of milk.
And I show exactly 2 right here.
Yep. Basically, I'm following the directions on the side of the box. But if you don't want to read or have trouble with it, this is the video for you.
And then stir away.
And then stir it. And if you've been following all of these videos, you're going to want to set that aside and let it sit for a little bit until it's soft set.
Right.
So then add your graham cracker crusts to a baking sheet. You don't have to do this. I just do it to make it easier to transport. So right here I'm using a 1/4 of a cup measuring scoop.
And it usually fills them up pretty good.
Yep. And just adding about a 1/4 of a cup of the pie filling to the graham cracker crust.
It fills them right up to the edge.
Yep. And that's what you're looking for.
Right.
It looks gorgeous and it tastes even better.
Yeah.
One of the things that I will say is this recipe tasted a lot like the dessert dirt cake.
We'll have to do a video on that someday.
Yeah, which is actually one of my favorite desserts. So you place it in the fridge, this time overnight. Well, overnight or at least for 4 hours.
Okay.
So then there's the finished pie. Looks gorgeous. Tastes even better.
Yeah.
So then add your Redi Whip if you would like. And then maybe even some crushed up Oreo crumbs.
Yeah, we should do that next time we make this.
Yeah. I mean, you could even do crushed up graham cracker crumbs if you like. But we didn't this time.
Now comes a taste test.
Yeah. And of course, when you stick the spoon in, it's gonna get a million big pieces of the crust. Yeah, that was one of my favorite pies.
So that should just about do it for this video. And we are looking for subscribers.
If you haven't already subscribed, please do so.
It would help us out a ton.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so everybody have a great rest of your day and catch you in the next video.
Yep.